Now, society, specifically the United States, generally supports stem cell research, much to the dismay of the Catholic Church. And why do you think society and the Church disagree so harshly on this issue?
Well, see, that's a very interesting question because I don't know if I agree that society in general supports stem cell research. A poll done back in 2010 that interviewed, it was a weighted sample survey done about 1,060 people or so, found that in the majority, Americans preferred scientists to focus research on adult stem cells rather than pursuing every possible form of stem cell research. Because in a certain sense, I think we even in the United States of America, where we are far from being perfect, we have some intuitive sense that no, we can't advance in our human condition by destroying life elsewhere. That's no way to move forward as a society or as a species. So when it's presented in those terms, I think Americans are against it. Now, most Americans, yes, are in favor of stem cell research because of the scientific possibilities that are there. But you'll find, I think, that those people who are already in support of positions like abortion or euthanasia, those positions which do not share the Catholic view of the dignity of human life, are going to favor advancing stem cell research by destroying embryos that, say, were frozen for the purposes of in vitro fertilization and were not taken by their parents. And so, these people say, well, these embryos are just going to sit in a freezer anyway. Let's use them for science. And it's a very cavalier attitude toward life that when we actually start talking about the specifics, most Americans are horrified by. And so I would say that if you actually start talking about the realities of how these embryonic stem cells are used, most people would be against them. And in the end, I think scientists are finding more and more possibilities of using adult stem cells and finding them more versatile than we had first thought.